March the 7th, we've noticed a lot of people talking about the full moon and how it's having a strange effect with the Earth's gravitational pull. People have been standing brooms up on their ends, so we're going to try this one and see if ours works. If that is the cat will let me. Alright. Can I give me 1 second? 1 second, buddy. Okay? It looked like it was going to do it. Look at that. It's standing up. Hold on, let me grab him. Ah! 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 That sucks. Look at that. Now, let's see what. Hold on. And ooh, even with the cat attack, it still stands.